Hey everyone, in this video we're going to go over how to create a query for the Manage Queries feature. First I want to mention that the Manage Queries feature is directly related to the columns and rows in the Lookup table. So for the Manage Queries feature to work, we need to already have our Lookup table added into the system. Okay, to access the Manage Query feature, we will need to go to the left side menu and go to the Forms icon and select Manage Queries. Here we are on the Manage Queries page and we can click on Create Query. First, let's create the query name. And then from there, we will select the Lookup table to use. We can click on the Edit Selected Tables button and select our Lookup table. We can click on the green plus button to select that Lookup table. Then we can move to the query section. The queries do have specific rules, so please be aware of those. So in the query section, we will start with select, then the first column title name, a comma, and then our second column name. Then we will have a from, all in capitals, a quotation mark, and here is where we put the name of the Lookup table we are connecting to, and then an ending quotation mark. Next we will put in the constraints. Here we will have where in all capitals, the column name, then equal sign, and the hashtags, and we will add in our second value by adding the word and then following the same rule. After that, we can click on Save, and then we will see that our Lookup query has successfully been created. On a quick side note, if you want to go in and update the query, you can click on the Edit Pencil icon and update the query information. And that's it! You now know how to create a query and connect it with the Lookup table in Indition Forms. Thanks again for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to know when a new video drops. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.